So how to use HiPeak app? So here is a HiPeak app, and it's one of the most trending photo editor apps right now, and it's also using AI for some AI effects and AI art. Pretty cool app. AI cutout and background removal, put on trending makeup with one tap. So yeah, if you just want to quickly remove background from the photo, you can just use this app. If you want to put like, for the girls to put a makeup and see how it looks like, you can just do that with AI retouch tools. So you can retouch your selfie, add some cinematic filters, add some AI filters, stickers. So you can see it's in the top charts kind of photo and video apps. Um, just open it up, and then you can see how it looks like. Clean up photos in seconds. You can, for example, like select this photo and then brush the area you want to remove. So I don't know like how. Let's try out. And then of course, you need to select the proper photo, and so here, for example, you can see the effect that it basically kind of like just removed. So for example, okay, let's try to remove the car and see how it will look like. And then I just want to use this AI magic removal and see what it will do. Wow, it's really amazing, right? So it's just removed the car from the photo. I mean, you can see some details here and there, but overall it's pretty cool, and I did it for free. So, like 10 years ago or something, you needed to really do it with Photoshop, with some like brush tool, and spent like 2 hours to do that. But now it's easily done in seconds. So then you can just easily remove that. So then cut out. You can also do that, for example, just to auto select AI recognizing, and then AI recognized this car, and then it automatically cut it out. You can then also reshape it. So as you can see, super quickly just cut out the car. So then if I just try to select my selfie, for example, then there is like a remover. I also want to add like a background, for example, or I want to reshape. You can reshape some areas. You can do okay, let's try to cut out AI, and then you can super quickly just cut out your photo. Boom, done. So I just instantly removed my background. Like, it's really amazing. And then I just want to add some additional filter. I just want to add some filter just like that. Okay, this sounds good. Then portrait, then face. You can resize your face, small face, change the beats. And then you just basically drag it as you want and just make like, selfie as you want. So this is really cool, where you can just adjust the jaw, for example, hairline. Try to use here, left. You can rotate your head if you want. You can change some angle, but yeah, you can just really adjust the jaw, cheekbones. So pretty cool. You can just play with it. and then just change photo. I don't know how do you want to do it, but yep, something like that. And then just that's eyes, nose, eyebrows, lips. That's what you can do basically. So okay, I just adjusted that. uh, then you can also do reshape. Then you can also add some makeup, but that's for obviously for girls. If you just want to try out like a makeup, you can also try it out here. It's pretty cool. Then skin. uh, yeah, like you can try all different types of skin retouch. Auto retouch, you can just try it that. So it's perfect app just to do like perfect selfies and do like just really nice selfie whichever you want. And then there are also like all this like AI filters which you can try to use here. There are all the different categories which you can try to use. So something like that, but that's just that. Enhance image, contrast, blur, saturation, texture. So all the different amazing amount of different effects. And yeah, so and then you can just create the photo, change the ratio. I don't know like how. So yeah, you can just play with it, and then you can just clean up, you can clone it, cut out. So all of the things, and then just you can save it here. Save to device, and then you can share it to Lemon8 or share it to TikTok. I think this is like the app by ByteDance. So the company behind TikTok and Lemon8. So this is kind of like some Chinese app, which it's a very powerful enterprise of this AI apps, like behind TikTok and Lemon8. So yeah, it's super easy to use this app with TikTok and with Lemon8, and just create some nice stories or selfies. So you name it, and as you can see, I just did it all of it for free. So that's pretty amazing. So try it out. That's the app, HiPeak Photo, and and photo editor and AI art. So hope this review was helpful for you. Please put a like. So for every like, I will get additional 10 views. So it's really amazing. You can also join my membership to become a member at my YouTube channel. Would be really helpful. The link is in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching.